Okay, my name's Bruce Nolan and I'm the cargo handler for Scott Base. I look after everything that goes between New Zealand and Antarctica. That's people, freight, mail and food. For the normal people, just come down with as little gear as you can. That way we can get more freight on the aircraft going north. If you're carrying dangerous goods or any samples, let me know way in advance. Because knowing about stuff right beforehand is really bad for me. Paperwork does take a while, especially down here where it takes a while to process anything. Bag drag is when people get on the aircraft going north, they've got to process everything like a normal check-in. So I'll grab their normal baggage that they're going to hand over to the cargo handlers and weigh it, give it to the cargo handlers over the hill. Then I'll weigh the people themselves with their ECW and then I'll weigh the carry-on. So if you're planning on flying on a Monday morning, you'll bag drag on a Sunday night and your checked baggage will be taken away on the Sunday night. Potentially they do get delays. So you could be here for 3, 4, 8 days with just what's in your carry-on baggage. Typically after 3 days you will get your checked baggage back. But there are delays, and they do happen, and it's completely unexpected normally. For someone new coming into the job, you will be Air Force, and so don't keep to the military way of life. Keep disciplined, however, expect change. And you are working with civilians, so expect the odd things to happen and just go with the flow.